Okay, so the dough has about doubled in size. We're going to now put it into the pan in which we'll bake it in, but then it's going to do another rise. We're going to put some olive oil into the bottom of the pan. Just want to coat it all around. Every surface inch of it doesn't have to be covered. But you just want to get a good coating into the edges and all that. So we're going to take the dough and scrape it out and then do an envelope style fold. So we're going to fold it on top of itself and from all four sides. And we're essentially trying to create a bit of a rectangle that will then sit in the pan and proof for a while longer. I'd say at least a couple hours. But basically, you just want it to cover the majority of the bottom of the pan before you're ready to bake it.